Okay, this lighthouse coming at you, and this is a hot tip from me. And as you can see, I'm charging the Mooncool TK1 E-TRIKE folding. Charge your battery at least once every 30 days. I've owned several hybrid automobiles, and you do need to keep your battery charged at least once every 30 days. Okay, now as you can see, the light is red, and I haven't charged it for probably, what is it, about a week, and got it plugged in over here into the wall socket and plugged into the battery right here. Recommend them. I've checked my tire pressure, everything is good to go, and